in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to highlight and contour. What that does is it actually gives you the knowledge of knowing how to make your face look a lot more slim and how to make your eyes stand out more and have that beautiful dewy skin that all the celebrities have. So enjoy your lesson. There's a couple of different ways you can actually highlight your face. So today, I'm going to use a liquid base highlighter. And I'm going to use a sponge to apply. So what I'm going to do is just dab the highlighter and just really lightly applying it in a dabbing style on Maddie's cheekbones just here and taking it up into her temple. Now what this does is it really helps highlight this area of her face, which will naturally make her eyes pop more. So just nice and lightly dabbing motion with the sponge and just taking it up to her temple. So if it's easier to remember, just remember a nice C shape just alongside the face. So I'm just going to pop some on the other side as well. And once again, just over the cheekbone, taking it up to her temple in dabbing style and just bringing it down like a C shape just along here. Now, one of my favorite places to highlight as well is definitely the brow bone. So just get in there and highlight that little area, which is the arch of the brow. So from the arch to the end of the eyebrows. Just make sure you don't take it in all the way because we don't want to highlight this area. We actually just want to highlight the brow bone. And as you can see, her skin is already starting to look so fresh and dewy. Now another spot which we can highlight is just on the top of the nose and just dabbing. So remember, if you're actually pulling your sponge up and down on foundation, you're just going to move everything. So please make sure that you're dabbing as you apply other layers of cosmetics over your foundation. There we go. So I'm happy with my highlighting and I've used liquid. If I was using a powder highlight, I would have done exactly the same thing but with a little brush like this, and I would have just dipped it into the powder and blended it up and done the same thing with the brow bone and a little bit on the nose. Now I'm going to move into the contouring.